Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. So in most of my artworks you would have seen me drawing a character and then keeping the background white. Pure white. Which is actually pretty boring. So yeah, in this video I'm going to try something different. So in this video I'm going to step out of my comfort zone and try to create a background in my drawing or artwork, whatever you want to call this, and I'm going to check if how different and how better or worse it will turn out. And a side note, the background didn't contain a lot of details, let me tell you, because my exams are near, and that's why I don't have much time to study, right? So yeah, but still, the overall results were pretty good, and backgrounds actually work sometimes. They actually, add a lot of effect, and they actually make your character, which is like the center module, unless you don't want it to be a center module or anything like that, but it actually makes it pop out of the artwork and actually just like a whole scenario sort of thing. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but still I hope you'll enjoy this video, guys. So no more talk and let's get started. Okay, so hi, hello, what's up guys? And at this point I started to mess the whole artwork up, because first of all I was not using a ruler or a scale and anything like that which could actually make my lines more accurate. I was just doing it all freehand. I really don't know why, don't ask me. Plus I could have added a lot of details, because before starting this idea I had a lot of ideas. Before starting this artwork I had a lot of ideas. What am I saying? Yeah, I had a lot of ideas of adding different Easter eggs, references, etc. But then I don't know what happened, and it turned out pretty weird, because it looks very plain if you'll see, even after the background and stuff. So yeah, but still, this still, as a first try, as it was my first try, it actually looks pretty good though. And yeah, it's great. And as you can see right now, I used my hand band, a band which I wear on my hand, what I was saying, to create a straight line, and I messed up there so bad. Just look at that. Still can't do anything about it at last. And yeah, well, I don't want to talk much right now, so get back to the video, guys. Thank you, bye. the result came out and the video is done, and result is like artwork is nice. I don't know, but yeah, I liked it. Though it was my first time, but still it is good. And I hope you like this video, guys. And if you did not like this video, dislike the video. If you like this video, like the video. And if you enjoy my content and this is your first time, then please consider subscribing. And well, it's, I don't know what to say right now. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. And it's me, AK, signing out. Peace. And that's it. Anything else?